Humans share 60% of their DNA with bananas. Have you ever stopped to think about how connected we are to the world around us? Not just to the people we know or the animals we share the earth with, but to the very plants we see every day. Yes, it's true. Humans share a surprising 60% of our DNA with bananas. It sounds almost unbelievable, but when you look closer, it starts to make sense. Our DNA, the blueprint of life, is made up of a long chain of molecules that carry instructions for every part of our existence: how we grow, what we look like, and how we function. Now, when we think of bananas, we might imagine a simple fruit, something we eat for breakfast or as a snack. But underneath that yellow peel, there's a whole lot more going on than we might realize. Bananas, just like us, are living organisms, and they too have DNA that helps guide their growth, their reproduction, and their survival. So, how do we share 60% of that DNA? Well, much of our genetic code overlaps with that of many living organisms, not just animals, but plants too. This shared DNA is responsible for basic functions that are crucial to life itself. For example, processes like cell division, protein synthesis, and even basic cellular functions are so fundamental to life that they're almost universal. These are the functions that allow both humans and bananas to grow, reproduce, and stay alive. It's not just bananas either. Our DNA shares similarities with a wide variety of life forms. The fact that we're 60% similar to bananas is a powerful reminder of how interconnected all life is on this planet. From the tiniest microorganism to the towering trees, we're all part of a vast web of life, built on similar biological principles. In fact, many of the genes we share with bananas are responsible for basic cellular processes that are vital to life itself. In a way, this connection challenges how we think about life. It reminds us that all living things are more alike than we might imagine, and that we share a deep, invisible bond with the world around us. So the next time you reach for a banana, just think about how, on a molecular level, you're sharing more than just a snack. You're sharing a part of your very existence. If you found this fascinating, help the channel grow by liking, sharing, and subscribing.